Buddy, I'm in the bathroom and I'm going to talk to you about something that none of us like to talk about, but we all do it and you know it. It is about the bathroom Squatty Potty. It's simple and it is by the Squatty Potty. So, Squatty Potty is this wraps around your toilet. I'll show you how this works. But it is a toilet to help you move your bowels when, sometimes you can't go, and there's a reason for that. And if you research the Squatty Potty a little bit more, it goes into depth. I'm not going to go into all of that. I'm just going to show you basically how it works. Now, it fits snug around the back of your toilet when you're not using it. See, so it's out of the way of your feet. But when you're ready to go and do your thing, you pull it out, you put your feet up on here, and then this position with your feet higher and your back, then this position will help you go a lot easier. And it's very effective, and it does. So get yourself a book, sit back, relax, and let things flow. And that is just my honest opinion.